I need to pluck my brows. I'm gonna go do my brows with this Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 2 by Benefit. I'm going to brush them through and fill in just where I feel there is less hair, where I want it to be more, and I like it very full, bushy, straight. I'm gonna make it like that. This brow is like so trendy right now, and I feel like it goes with any look that I'm doing. So as you see, I'm going to do this side right now. I'm going to brush through. Obviously I need to fill in right here, just like that. So I'm going to start with a line under, and then I'm going to go on the upper one. And I love this brow pencil by Benefit. It's very quick and easy to use for everyone, even if you're just starting doing your makeup or you're even a pro. This is really good. And sometimes I'm holding it like that, where I need it to be more heavy, precise, and where I want it to be more feathery, I'm holding it right here and try to brush it while I'm doing it. And as you see already, it looks much fuller. Okay, and as you see, they're not the same. They will never be like I'm trying. It's just gonna be like sisters and not twins. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. This is like my normal everyday, like this is how I would do my brows all the time. And then I'm going to set them in place with this Benefit clear 24-hour brow setter, and just gonna leave them in place. But sometimes I do have another technique to use, either feathery or either fuller, or it just depends. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see my other ways of doing my brows, and I can definitely do a tutorial for you, or any other suggestion that you might have and you wanted to see. So I will apply this right now. I am using the big brush first on this side and not the smaller. The smaller I will use just right here. I wanted to start by applying product and then brush it through like so. And here I will brush it up, but then I'm gonna go and set them like that. And do the other side too. I like always this brow better. And that's it for my brows. I'm really loving this bushy brows at the moment, and yep. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna do my makeup right now, and it's gonna be in another video. Okay, so yeah, let me just finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back.